Do you ever wonder where all the traffic has gone? Why are people not visiting your sites? I know exactly why that is, and in this video, I'll fix this problem for you. You see, I had the same issue. My affiliate sites were getting less and less traffic, no matter how many links I was building. In the good old days, you could put up some poorly written text and have it rank on the first page of Google. Those days are gone. Why? Because Google tries to give their users what they want. And what do people want? Answer, video. Yes, video. Like the one you're watching right now, for instance. Did you know that YouTube gets 1 billion unique visitors each month? YouTube right now is the second biggest search engine in the world behind Google. As a matter of fact, Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion. Why? Because they understand that people love watching videos. If you just embed a YouTube video on your site, your visitors will like you more and stay on your site longer, even if you didn't create the video yourself. Not only that, but for many keywords, Google now shows videos before text content. In fact, Google now often shows video thumbnails next to the search listings of the pages that contain a video. And I'm not talking about the youtube.com domain either. These video thumbnails also appear next to the search listings of normal pages that just have a video embedded. These video thumbnails really stand out. People click on them much more than they do with plain text results. This means even more traffic for sites with embedded videos. But how do these sites rank so high and also have a video thumbnail next to their Google search listings? Here's what they do. They include some special code on their web pages to tell Google what their embedded videos are about. This code is called schema.org markup for videos. Don't worry about the technical jargon. I'll show you how to take advantage of this, even if you can barely switch your PC on. You don't need to mess with any code. What this code basically does is it gives Google info about your embedded video. For example, what's the video's title and description, how long the video is, where Google can find a thumbnail for the video, etc. Google can read text just fine, but they need some help to figure out what videos are about. The more info Google has about the videos that are embedded on your site, the better. In fact, here's another tip that will help you get even more traffic from Google. Add an XML video sitemap to your site. This is a sitemap that has links to all your videos. Google can read the sitemap, find that video content, index it, and add it to its search results much faster. Huge sites like the New York Times get crawled several times daily. But if you own a smaller site like most of us, Google can take up to 4 weeks or more to find your content and index it. In fact, sometimes pages with great content never get found by Google. That's why it's crucial that you use a video sitemap. Right now, you may be thinking, okay, I can embed video in my content. But what about all the other technical mumbo-jumbo like schema.org markup or XML video sitemaps? I'm not a programmer, you know. Don't worry, because I have the solution for you. It's a WordPress plugin called One-Click Video Ranker. It will do all the techie stuff for you. First of all, the plugin adds all the proper schema.org video markup to your content automatically. The plugin can generate the code from videos you host on your site, as well as from videos hosted on video sites like YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion that you've embedded on your WordPress site. It even works if you just link to an external video, like a YouTube video. The plugin also creates a really cool looking XML video sitemap that notifies Google every time you add a video to your site. That way, your video content gets indexed even faster. One-click video ranker is your secret traffic weapon. You don't need to worry about Google slapping your site with another algorithm update like Panda, Penguin, or Hummingbird. You don't need to buy expensive links from private blog networks or using complicated backlinking tools. You don't have to use any black hat methods that will get your site de-indexed. You don't need to figure out complicated and shady link pyramid diagrams. You don't need to use unreadable spun content that your visitors hate. You don't need to hire an expensive SEO agency or SEO specialist. Just forget about all those things. They're way too expensive, way too complicated, plus they don't work. Using video is not the future. It's the present. I can tell you from experience, the pages on my sites that have videos get the most traffic and make the most sales. You don't want to work at a job you hate. You want your sites to make money so you can have freedom. And it all starts with traffic. Here's what people like you say about one-click video ranker. Now, I will have a video thumbnail back to my posts, which will help my blogs get more noticed in the search engines. It's like having a click magnet. We do not need to do manual Google markups for the videos anymore, and no need for a separate video sitemap plugin. Really easy to use with a very intuitive interface. George communicates well with his clients, and he constantly makes updates to his products, even those from a few years back. One-click video ranker has a 60-day, 10 times your investment back guarantee. Either it will bring you in profits, 10 times what you paid for it, or I don't want your money. I'm that confident in the plugin, and I want you to be a happy customer. This offer will not be available for long, so make sure you get your copy today. It will be the best thing you ever did for your site's traffic and profits.